The ad hoc committee in parliament finally, they woke up and decided ukuthi they want the president of syndicates, ngitsho yona, i-POS, alive, Paul O'Sullivan. Kubathethe isikhathi for iparliament yase-South Africa to wake up and to see ukuthi uPaul O'Sullivan dala ayi-undermine and futhi ayitelela iParliament of South Africa. This is the chairperson of the ad hoc committee, ubaba uSoviet Likhanyana. He was talking lapha eParliament ukuthi it's high time manje ukuthi uPaul O'Sullivan appear in the ad hoc committee, not visually, not online, not via Zoom, not via Teams, ngenyama himself nje avele in front of the ad hoc committee and account, especially nalamagama nokuthusela nokugwajisa the parliament in front of the committee azoziphendulela. Also guys, in the meeting that was held on Monday, yes, Lokokolo guys is giving red flags. So she's saying ukuthi why iparliament ifuna uPaul O'Sullivan, because uPaul O'Sullivan unama allegations or unensolelo or like this statement yokuthi kunabantu abafuna ukumbulala, and then uBreitenbach uthi what if uPaul uyeza and then the next thing la vele bayamu analyze, so who's going to take the accountability? There is no Paul O'Sullivan abazomu analyze. He must be dragged from London azok appear in the ad hoc committee account all the skemekemes ezenzekile, like the way adelela ngakhona iparliament and futhi na the way athuke ngakhona ama-members of the ad hoc committee. But guys, take note ne, uPaul O'Sullivan angathomi enze that thing leya eyenzwa ngumuntu loya. Niyakhumbula eFrance, eParis, ku-floor number something enze ngathi ushonile kanti akakashoni, or abetheleza zaka-Gavin Watson. uPaul O'Sullivan angas-Gavin Watson. We want him alive. He must never think about ukusgavina Watson in South Africa. Simfuna aphila in the ad hoc committee. Let me show you ukuthi what did Breitenbach said, and as well as the statement sakababa uSoviet Likhanyana lapha in the ad hoc committee. Let me know in the comment section ukuthi what do you think about these revelations. Do you think ukuthi Paul O'Sullivan will appear in the ad hoc committee? But asaz mina, I think there's a possibility ukuthi Paul O'Sullivan angashayaleza zaka-Gavin Watson or zaloya ku-floor number 51.
Morning to everybody. Yeah, we have no difficulties with any of the issues raised. I have a difficulty with the 6th of February as a date. I have a personal engagement that I can't get out of, but that doesn't matter. Everyone else will be present. We agree with the general discussion, Chair, of all the points raised. I'm not going to go through them all and repeat what everyone has said. Apart from O'Sullivan, Chair, I have no difficulty with the members wanting him here in person, and I don't object to it, and I don't wish to say anything about it. All I'm saying, we need to be a little bit careful. If we force him to come and he does get assassinated, we will have to deal with that fallout. But I have no objection to members wanting him to come. Thank you.
Mr. Paul O'Sullivan is insulting the Parliament of the Republic, calling it a criminal parliament, and has even made very, very serious allegations. He went on to cast aspersions on members of this parliament and members of this committee, accusing them of aiding criminal conspiracies to take his life. But he even goes on to call them criminals. And I don't think that it's something that we can take our attention off it. But he further says, even if I was coming to appear virtually before you, I will not recognize members of the MKP. I won't recognize members of the EFF. I won't recognize members of the Action SA. So I just felt that I must emphasize those points even before we go to discussions on the two items. What I will do, honorable members, let's discuss the items in this